Hello, welcome back to Mary's Plans and Budgets, and today we are doing a monthly March budget layout. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about how it's going to go on March. Now I already placed down my header, as you can see, my washi here, and my header for the March budget here. And if you guys hear any background noises, it's just my kids once again. So for income, we're gonna put paycheck 1, paycheck 2. I don't know where I wrote 2 for. I've been getting super confused. But this is paycheck 1, paycheck 2, paycheck 3, and paycheck 4 of my husband's, me and I together. Then we're gonna do paycheck 1 and paycheck 2, and that's for my second job. So we're gonna have it like that. And I honestly don't know like how much I'm getting paid for my second job. Like I know how much, but I just gotta add the hours and the numbers together because I just started anyways. And for paycheck 1, me and my husband are getting paid on the 3rd and 3rd. Then we're gonna get paid on the 10th. We're gonna get paid on the 17th. Then we're gonna pay on the 24th. And then for me, I'm gonna get paid on the 4th. And then I'm gonna get paid on the 18th. Because this is every 2 weeks, and we get paid every week. So I'm out of washi, like thin washi tape, but that's okay. I'm just gonna put my fixed expenses here. Like I said, my daughter is right next to me, and lately she's been like, I don't know what in the world they're doing in the room, but it's just banging. Sorry about that. So actually I should put this one down because then I know where to place the other one down. And so we're gonna do this, and it's gonna be kind of different right now, like super different. And I know it's like a little bit crooked, but it's okay. So now we're gonna write down our expenses here. I have a sheet here by me to help me guide. Okay, so now we have our mortgage is always gonna go first, and we have 1,000. I actually usually put in my cushion 1,052. But I already know that my mortgage is 1,049 with 88. Then we have utilities, loan, car payment, car insurance, phone, internet, Terminex. Apparently my husband says that I've been writing it wrong. Then we have our credit cards and subscriptions. I think, damn it, I wrote it wrong. I've been using so much whiteout in this video, and just, I don't know, nervous, I guess. And we have that, and now we're gonna put down our totals here. And also I'm adding the car payment. Yes, I have a car payment now, and I'm adding that car payment now because first car payment is actually until April, but I don't want to wait until April to do that car payment. So I'm gonna start saving up for that car payment so that when April comes, I already have it. It's the same thing what I do for the mortgage, utilities, and the loan. I start saving it up now, so by the time it comes up, I already have it. So then we have, oh, let me do this one real quick. And then we have, I usually do 250 for the, well, it was 230, but I noticed that I went a little bit overboard, so now I'm going to do 250 from now on. Then we're going to do 1019 with 05, because that's how much it is usually is for the loan. Then we're going to do 690 with 85 for the car payment. Car insurance is 128, I think like around 130. I'm telling you guys, I've been using so much whiteout lately. Phones, I'm not sure, but it's about 260 now. Then we have internet, it's about 105. The internet keeps going up by $1 every single time, every month. This is 117. All the credit cards I counted is 263 with 02. And the subscription are 290 with 18. Now, the reason why I haven't put down the budget here is because I am super scared to actually put it down there. But we're going to go to our variable expenses for now, and that is groceries. And I'm gonna keep a budget of 400 for now. I hope I don't go over that, but I'm trying to keep that. Then allowances, actually I changed it up right now, so I'll put it up in just a minute. And sinking funds, I want to budget about, I don't even know exactly how much I want to do for sinking funds. I don't think I want to really budget it out. Then we are paying babysitter again, so we're putting pay staff. And then our variable for sure is gas. But I put like 240 in gas. And if we have overtime, that means my babysitter takes care of my kids for 5 days. So that in total, it'll be 625. But if she only takes care of them 3 days, it's only 375 for the month. So I think for Steph, I'm gonna leave it as in between. So I'm gonna leave it at 575. Because I'm not sure. Sinking funds. So I did a layout here for my sinking funds. And I am not quite sure how much I want to put into my sinking funds in a month. So I have to do that calculation as well, and I'm not sure what it is. But I'm going to do it real quick right here. So Haiti gets $5, and there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. So times 4. Then Maria gets 20 times 4, and then Bernie gets 20 times 4. Now I don't give Junior an allowance because he's still too little. So let's count this up. 5 times 4 equals 20. Then we have 20 times 4 equals 80, and 80. Then we have 80 plus 80 plus 20 equals 180. So that's how much it's pretty much gonna be in allowance. And the reason why I have it this low is because I'm trying to pay off the debt more than spending at the moment. So I'm trying really hard not to spend and really keep in the budget so that I could put more into the debt. And then if you saw my last video, I think that would be my last video, but my debt is different, so I hope you guys see that video of my debt update, and that way you know what I mean. Then sinking funds. Okay, so if I put 20 times 4, 10 times 4, and then I do 49 times 4, and then we're gonna start putting 10 in each of them. But that's the thing, I don't know how much we're gonna get paid in order for me to put those, but for sure these are the ones that I'm gonna put in sinking funds for sure. So we have 49 times 4 equals 196. Then we have 40, and then we have 80. So 196 plus 40 plus 80 equals 316. So that's gonna be our sinking funds that I really want to put, like, to make sure that's in it. So that's 316. So that's how we're gonna have it as for now. And then we're gonna put our totals in just a minute. And I might end up speeding the process of adding the totals because I don't want to take too long adding the totals. And then I'll just write it down with you guys. So then we're gonna put our summary in here. And then we're gonna put our balances here. Like I said, if you guys hear anything, it's just my son looking for me. But I'll be done in just a minute, so I'll get him. My husband is with him anyways. So then, and then we have fixed and variable. And then we're gonna put our lines real quick. I'm pretty excited to go back to work. I like the numbers. I just don't like when they're too high in debt. So I'm gonna try my best to keep it super low. And I'm gonna try my best to pay all this up as soon as possible. Actually, we'll do this one. Okay. It's not coming out. Okay, like that. So now we're gonna add all of these. I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay guys, so I completely forgot that I have a rollover money from February, so I have to put that down. I have to make sure I put that down because I'm probably gonna forget like I did already. So we have February. Yeah, we have February rollover, and that is on the 3-in-1. Now I'm not quite sure exactly if overtime is coming back or not for my first job, so I'm kind of scared to actually even put numbers down here without knowing. But we did have overtime this week, so for sure we're gonna get like about, I'll say 1,800. And then on the first paycheck here, my husband's probably gonna get like 500, and then I'm gonna get like, oh actually let's go back here to our paycheck, and 500, it'll be like 600 in total, maybe. And then in here it'll be like maybe, I'll say like maybe 300. Then on paycheck 3, I'm gonna keep it at the lowest, even like with no overtime. So right here on number 3, it'll be the 6 and 5 and 56. No, it'll be like around 11. And then right here on paycheck, I'll say about 200. Now my second job is part-time, so I don't know exactly how much I'm putting, but we'll see. And paycheck 4 is gonna be like about the same for these two. And that's my husband and I's together. Now for our rollover money, I know we have, our rollover should be around, let me check real quick guys, sorry. So our rollover money from February is 3,202 with 88. And I don't count the rollover together with the income. I just wanted to make sure that I have it there to let me know where that money came from. But I don't count it together as my income. So now we're gonna add all of these up. So we have 600 plus 180 plus 100 plus 300 plus 200 equals 500. I hope I got that correctly, but I have those. And like I said, I'm just adding the income, not the rollover. So now I'm gonna add here 5,100. I'm so sorry guys. And then right here I have 4,174 with 98 plus 1,711. So now we're gonna add those two up. So we have 4,174.98 plus 1,711 equals 5,885 with 98. So that is really close. That means yes, we are at the negative. If you subtract this and this, it is at the negative, but it's really close by. So that is pretty good, because remember that my mortgage is still coming out from the rollover, same as loan, and the utilities come out of rollover, and all of these other ones get paid with our checks. But other than that, we'll see how this month goes. This is pretty much my budget layout here. So this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please like and subscribe if you would like to join this little budgeting and planning family here. And once again, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for everyone who watches. Thank you. Bye guys.